that again?
Sure. Okay, so our equation is 3x minus 6y equals negative 3, and negative 1/3 x plus 8 equals y. Okay? So now we are going to multiply those. Nathan, tell me again what I'm plugging in for y.
You're plugging in negative 1 over 3x plus 8 for y.
Beautiful. And that's coming right here for y, correct? All right, so we have 3x minus 6 times, what am I multiplying there?
Negative 1 over 3x plus 8.
Negative 1/3 x plus 8 equals what?
Y. Wait. Negative 3.
Negative 3, that's what I thought you said. Okay, negative 3. Annalise, will you do that multiplication out for me? She's like, oh great, I get to do the fraction, I'm so lucky. All right, so 3x. How many times does 3 go into 6, Annalise? Twice. Okay, and then what's negative 2 times negative 1? Positive 2, good. Positive, oops. Let's go back. That's right. Positive 2, I changed colors, but that's okay. And then what's negative 6 times positive 8? Negative 48, good. Oh, should I have an X on that? I should, shouldn't I? Good. Equals negative 3. Beautiful. Mia, will you solve the rest of that for me? Hang on, let me move my screen up. There we go. So Mia, what variable do I not have there now? We won't have a y. Now we just have an x, and now we can just solve, right? So what side would you like what side would you like equations to be on? What side would you like variables to be on, and what side would you like numbers to be on? Variables on the right? Really? I would go left because they're already there, right? We might as well make life easy on ourselves because they're already there, and I already have numbers on the other side. So how many x's do you have on the left side? Don't say 2. 5x, good. Minus 48 equals negative 3. What do I do with that 48? That negative 48 is going to move to the other side or stay where it is? Add, good. This is going to end up being an ugly number, but that's okay. So we get 5x equals what's 40? Oh, no, it's not. What's 48 minus 3?
5.
45. Good. Divide both sides by 5. So what does my x equal? 9. Beautiful. Good. And a cheer goes up from the crowd. Okay, now what do I do? Now what do I do? To which equation? I could do both. I would do the top one because then I don't have to deal with fractions, but that's just me. 3x minus 6y. So now I'm going to 3x minus 6y equals negative 3, right? Okay. And now that negative 9 is getting plugged in for x. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Nolan. What am I plugging in for x? 9. Minus 6y equals what?
Negative 3.
Got the lightsaber. Equals negative 3. Good. What's 3 times 9, Nolan?
27.
Okay. How do I solve that out? Not yet. What needs to move first?
The 27.
How am I going to move it?
5 minus
What's negative 3 minus 27? Negative 30, good. Whoa. Negative 6y equals negative 30, then what do I do? Divide by negative 6. What's negative 30 divided by negative 6? Y equals 5. So my coordinate point, that is my solution, should be 9, 5, correct?
Yeah.
So let's check that now. Let's actually go back up to the top. Woo! My whole thing's sliding. Oh my! It's all just chaos.
Aliens.
There we go.
Illuminati confirmed.
Okay, let's go back here and check it. Okay? So we're going to check 9, 5. Okay? What's 3 times 9? 27. What's negative 6 times 5? Negative 30. What's 27 minus 30? Negative 3. Top equation checks out. Okay? What's 1/3 of 9? 3. Negative 3, right? Because we had to do negative 1/3. Plus 8. What's negative 3 plus 8? 5. And that's our y value, so that checks out. Good. They both check. I am recording this. Say goodbye, Sydney. There you go.